it screams at Thornton Hall. Oh, hello. Oh, it's a welcome introduction into that. So we're down here, it screams at Thornton Hall Country Park.
Yes.
And we're going to have a bit of a fun, bit of a scare, fun time, aren't we?
Yeah, there's 3 mazes to do, so I'm looking forward to them.
And we can actually film in 2 of the mazes.
I know.
So we can bring you along for the ride there. Thank you for inviting us down.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It means a lot to us there. Fire's going off, scare actors here. What are we doing?
Let's go.
Whoop, whoop. Down there, Ev.
Oh, there is a scare zone this way.
It looks right scary, to be fair.
It does look a bit scary.
It's just there staring at us. Anything could happen. Oh, it's all going here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, well. Right, so we're going to have a little wander around, see if we can find the mazes, see what we can do. Let's go.
See you soon.
Well, we're in Ev, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Kicking off with a lovely refreshments. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Thornton Hall, for inviting us down. It's been a really nice intro so far, hasn't it?
It has been really nice.
So as you said earlier, we've got 3 mazes to go through. We can film in 2 of them.
Yes, we can. And the mazes are called Jinxed and Malkin, which we can film in, and then there's Black Market, which we can't.
Right, so we're going to show you a little bit inside them, and then we're going to run through the others, see how good it is, see how scary they are.
And I think there's a scare zone down there as well.
I think there's a few little bits about some entertainment things, so we'll show you what we can. First time here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really good so far. I'm quite impressed.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her.
Been watching a bit of the entertainment there, haven't
We
they?
have, yeah.
Really good. It's probably here in the background there, doing a few covers, spooky covers.
Yeah, we like covers, don't
Yeah, we do, don't we? But look at this. That's impressive, isn't it?
we? It's so pretty.
It looks really good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to go up, we're going to have scares done.
Yeah.
I'm excited for this, are you?
Me too.
Yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along for it with us.
I know, yeah, so you'll be out here all our screams.
First time we've ever filmed in a maze, so it's going to be really fun and interesting, isn't it? Right, live. Are you feeling brave, Ev?
I think so.
Are you sure? I don't know if I am. I've just clocked him up there, so I don't know if I am actually.
Oh God, that's quite scary
It is a
actually.
little bit scary, isn't it?
Oh dear, they're coming
Oh,
towards
they're coming
us.
for
That's
you.
the worst thing. Oh God.
They want you. They want you. You made a friend.
I know.
Oh, you made a friend now.
Yeah, they're like the crows, aren't they?
They are like the crows. They're quite good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right, attractions. Feeling brave? You ready?
Oh, I don't know.
Let's go. Oh. We can't get past them. Oh,
It's scary because you can't see the lines.
I know, you can't see them, can you?
No.
Pretty creepy. Right, what do you want to do first? We've got Malkin Manor. There's a couple more over there.
Yeah, which one should we do this one first?
Oh, might as well, let's go. You can hear the screams from out here, can you?
Can't say it out, yeah.
Sounds scary, doesn't it?
Sounds good, doesn't it?
It does sound good, doesn't it? Right, get yourselves in the queue.
Come on, man.
What's this? Malkin?
Malkin Manor.
Malkin Manor.
Yeah.
Oh, we like manors, don't we?
Malkin. It's M-A-L-K-I-N.
Oh, well, we like manors, don't we?
Malkin.
Our best friend lives in a manor.
Yeah, she does.
Yeah, she does, yeah.
Oh, it's better that it's dim around here with this bloody lot down here, isn't it? What's going on around here? Better in the dark, aren't they? Especially you, sir. Guys, we're about to start filming. You ready? Is this them? Really? Alright, come on, come on.
Thank you. Bye.
Come on through. Close the door. There we go. Close the door. Alright, let's get the intro done. Hey Haun Hackers, we are totally cooked for tonight's live stream, and man, it's gonna be a good one. Now we are joined by a new group of hunters of the paranormal, ready to seek the truth about this old house. That's right, the one you've been asking for, the one and the only Malkin Manor. How are we feeling, guys?
Good.
There we go. Now stay tuned to see if the ghosts make an appearance, or if they remain elusive. Right, so that's the intro done. Now I don't think we're actually gonna see any ghosts. It's all done in the edit, but hey, who knows? Tonight might be your lucky night. After all, if any house has ghosts, it's gonna be this one. Now this house has had a few tenants over the past few years. Nobody seems to want to stay. They say that the walls move and the weird things go on, but that's why we are here tonight. See if that's true and if anything's still lingering on. Now, shit, we're about to go live. See, our job tonight is to explore the house and see if anything is still there. Now, the team has rigged the whole house with cameras, so we'll see every move you make. Remember, play it big for the live. After all, we want to get paid. All right, good luck, con hackers.
You can't stop us. I love him.
Oh. Oh my days. Oh. I don't know where we're going. Oh, heavy soda. Oh, gee. Oh. Don't let us go past them.
Oh god.
Go. Why are you here? Oh my god! We're gonna get beds. Oh, let's get out.
Thank you. Oh god. Oh god. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh wow.
Oh, that was hilarious.
That was so much fun,
I
wasn't it?
enjoyed that, yeah.
Oh, that was really good. Malkin Manor.
Yeah, I liked how they actually we got stuck like in a maze.
I know, yeah, it was such like a maze, wasn't it,
Yeah,
to be fair?
it really was.
Different
Oh
routes.
dear.
Oh. We're getting cornered now. Quick, let's run to the other maze, quick. Ah! Oh. So we got attacked just outside the maze as well,
Yeah,
didn't we?
we did, don't we?
Oh, so Malkin Manor, what did you reckon of that, Ev?
That was really fun, that was.
That was fantastic. It was really dark in there. Quite good actors. They're really interactive. We got a little bit bullied near the end, didn't we?
Yeah.
We had to crawl. We had to get through a fireplace, I think it was.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it was a little bit creepy, wasn't it?
Yeah, I enjoyed that.
But yeah, it's quite a haunted manor, that one.
Yeah.
I'll give you that one. How many pumpkins you giving that one?
I think an 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
I think I'll give that 7. 7 pumpkins. Solid, quite good, got us warmed up. You ready? Let's go. We're here for Black Market, Ev.
Yes.
You ready for this one?
I am.
It's meant to be quite an intense one, isn't it?
Yeah, there's electrocution, shocks, things like that.
Restraints, I've just been
restraints,
told.
yeah, so...
It's going to be really scary. I think this is going to be really scary for
Yeah,
us, isn't it?
me too.
Yeah, we're a little bit wimpy, aren't we, to be fair? We're probably just doing a scream and shout on that other one.
I know, yeah.
But we can't take you along for the ride with this one, unfortunately.
No, we can for the next one, but not for this one.
Because you have been denied. Well, we come for the next one, I'd say, yeah. I suppose it's just because this is going to be that intense. I don't think anyone wants to see us cry, do they?
No, definitely not.
Perhaps you do. Leave it in the comments below.
There he is. He's just come out. That was absolutely mental.
I've been tortured.
Yeah, same. Did you get put in hand in like,
handcuffs? I was like this. I was being
in the
pulled
pitch
up
black.
piggy. I was being walked
Yeah.
around like this.
Yeah.
I got shot at with something. Oh my god! I felt like I was in there forever. Honestly.
It felt like it, didn't it?
I don't know what that's about, but that is scary. So then, Black Market, what did you think of that?
What was that? My god, that was absolutely crazy. So it is definitely a maze because you
Yeah.
get lost in there. You keep going around in circles, and you do get terrorised a little bit. But it's when you get past the door where you're going to think that you're escaping, and then it all goes downhill. You get
Yeah, it does.
a bag over your head, you get told to wait there, standing at the wall. If you try and lift it, oh my goodness, they literally manhandle you. They're like,
Get out there now. I think literally took me around in circles for about 5 or 6 times, literally, that was crazy.
and at one point, literally, you stood there with a hood on your head, like this, in restraints, and they walk you around.
Yeah.
It's
He ripped me thing off, and I just saw like this purge mask thing, and I was like, oh my days, it's terrifying.
It is terrifying.
Oh.
And then I went to run out, and he was like, where do you think you're going? And literally had me in the corner. Oh my goodness. Honestly, that was fun.
That was good. But how many pumpkins are you going to get that one,
I
Ev?
think that's kind of a 9.
9. I'm
Yeah.
going to agree with you there. That's a 9 pumpkin maze, that is. That is terrifying. Last but not least, Jinxed.
clowns, you know?
Yeah, you don't like clowns, do you?
No.
They don't particularly like you, do they?
No, they don't.
It's a mutual disagreement, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it definitely is.
Well, we can bring you along for the ride for this one again. Jinx, we can take you
Yay.
inside, show you our scares, hear our screams. Should we go inside?
Come on then.
Let's go. Oh, wow. Look at this now. This
I
is
know,
good.
yeah, it's really good. I forgot you're allowed to film.
Me in this corner.
Yeah, go on, Ashley. Right, go right next to him. Hello.
Hello.
Right next to him. Right. Give me a wave. Ooh, painful. Don't like this one.
Are you not coming too?
Yeah, I got that.
After you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, God.
You can stay here with me if you want to.
I'm
Go on, just for a little bit.
Maybe next
Are you
time.
sure?
Yeah, next time.
Okay, I don't want you to anyway.
Okay.
Hurry on.
Oh my days. Oh. Hello. You alright?
Well, I'll chase you down, and I'll not miss, not you!
Jinxed, Dev.
Yeah, it was alright. I didn't get any interactions, as you can see from the footage.
Yeah, we were at the back of the group there, weren't we?
Yeah,
To be fair.
so it wasn't
Bit of
the
batching
best.
things. It can happen and things. I quite like the maze itself.
Yeah, it was a good theming in there,
Theming
to be
going
fair,
round.
yeah.
I like the inflatable thing when you first go in. They're always quite good, aren't
Yeah, that's fun, isn't it?
they? You know, I'd say unfortunately it's probably the weakest one out of the three though, isn't
I
it?
agree, yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? It's still not bad. Just give it how many pumpkins, Dev?
I don't know, 6.5.
6.5? I think
Yeah.
I'll give it a 6. It's still a solid 6. It's probably above average, but the other two are better, aren't they?
Yeah,
That
they are.
Black Market. I mean, after that, I don't think anything can compete, can it?
No.
But you did not too bad, Jinx. Well done. Well, we've done all 3 scare mazes, have done pretty well, haven't we?
We have.
Let's have a little look around and see what else there is to offer.
Yeah.
Well, we just have another little run through of Black Market.
That is absolutely insane. That is the most intense maze I've ever done.
It's fantastic, isn't it? It
Yeah.
really is.
They'd even ramped it up even more the second time round. That was absolutely mental. It really was.
I thought it did pretty well. I got through quite quick and then they just left me in the darkness. They just forever.
I got
Just
tortured.
left me in there.
Literally tortured. They made me do all weird sort of things, standing in walls, getting on them all fours. Yeah,
I walked into a room, you were there up against the wall, and I was ordered out of there.
yeah.
So I didn't know what else happened in
She
there.
kept me for ages as well. She was not letting me go.
I just thought, you know, when I left you, like literally, because they split you up straight away, didn't
Yeah.
they, guys? But I walked into a room, saw you have, and then literally as soon as I left, this guy went, right, you, and he proper grabbed me like, rah! Proper up against the wall, like, oh, I was like, I'm getting attacked here. It was absolutely crazy.
It was.
Yeah, good fun, absolutely brilliant second run through. Well, we've had a fantastic night, haven't we?
Yeah.
Screams at Thornton Hall Country Park. Screams at Thornton Hall Park complete. What do you think then, Hev?
That was an absolutely brilliant night, and that maze was crazy.
Yeah, Black Market's the one we couldn't show you guys, and understandably, you need the surprises in there, don't
Yeah,
you?
you definitely do, but my God, did we get tortured.
Yeah, pre-warning, there's crawling, tight spaces, you get bullied, you get told do things, you get grabbed, you get pushed around.
Yeah.
Darkness.
You get squirted in the face.
There's a hood, you
Yeah.
get hung up, strung up.
blown at. Yeah,
quartered.
all sorts. Oh, and shot at too.
Oh yeah, just at the end, just to finish it off. So that's just a few things that could happen in there, but honestly, fantastic. We had 2 amazing run-throughs there, didn't we?
Yeah, we really did.
We really did. So what's your favourite one there? Is it going to be Black Market?
Black Market, yeah.
Definitely. And your number 2?
Malkin.
Malkin?
Yeah.
Yeah, the manor.
Yeah.
Yeah, we like a good manor, don't we?
We do.
And then it's the clown one at the bottom for us, but it was always a good maze. It's just the other 2 were so good, I think.
Yeah, the theming was really good in there, to be fair.
Yeah, I think that was it though. We'd gone from Black Market and that was just a different level of maze.
It
honestly.
really was. And it is a maze as well.
And it is a proper maze. Hev was literally in there for about 25 minutes.
Yeah.
So-
It was in there for ages.
Anything could happen. Thank you again for Thornton Hall Country Park for inviting us down.
Yeah, honestly, thank you so much. It's been an absolutely brilliant night.
It's been a pleasure and we'll quite happily be coming again next year, I think.
Yeah,
won't we?
definitely.
Absolutely brilliant. But if you like this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe, get yourselves down here. Whoop whoop.